In this video, I'll show you how to sign into Adobe Premiere Rush quickly and easily. You can access it either through a web browser or the Creative Cloud desktop app. If you're using a browser, head to adobe.com and click the sign in button at the top right. If you're using the Creative Cloud app, just open it and look for the sign in option. Enter the email linked to your Adobe account, then type your password. For company or school accounts, you might need to use single sign-on. Just follow the steps provided by your organization. Sometimes Adobe will ask you to verify your identity with email or SMS, so complete that step if prompted. Once signed in, go to your Creative Cloud dashboard, search for Adobe Premiere Rush, and download it if it's included in your plan. And that's it. You're signed in and ready to start editing with Adobe Premiere Rush. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Adobe tutorials.